has done a tremendous job during COVID-19 crisis. And during crisis, because of the many restrictions for physical meetings, many new IT solutions were initiated in the district. Firstly, the most important was the e-pass system for the stranded people across the district. And the Patna was the first district to launch this in state of Bihar. And a very easy to use web portal and IT application was also created, and in which citizens could apply in that e-pass system, and a large number of citizens benefited from this initiative. Later on, this initiative was extended to all other districts of Bihar, and which were very helpful to people who were stranded and wanted to go due to their medical regions or other very compelling regions. Besides that, NIC helped in communicating with the field officers and also with the state level officials with the video conferencing, in which the NIC officers worked day and night, and at any point of time they were ready to connect the different level of officers to video conferencing. And at this time it was
कोरोना काल में एनआईसी पटना जिला केंद्र के द्वारा कोविड-19 सेल का गठन किया गया, जिसमें दैनिक प्रतिवेदन संधारित करने हेतु ऑनलाइन पोर्टल भी बनाया गया था, जिससे जिला स्तर पर दैनिक प्रतिवेदन की समीक्षा सुलभ हो सकी। एनआईसी के द्वारा बाहर से आए प्रवासी मजदूरों की पूर्ण विवरणी की एंट्री कराई गई। एंट्री के पश्चात ही हम लोगों ने राज्य सरकार के द्वारा 1000 रुपये न्यूनतम मजदूरों के खाते में भिजवाए। एनआईसी ने इस संकट की घड़ी में, कोरोना काल में, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन करते हुए विभिन्न कार्यालयों के बीच संवाद स्थापित कराया। मैं एनआईसी पटना जिला केंद्र को हृदय से इस कार्य के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं, और यह उम्मीद भी करता हूं कि भविष्य में ऐसी घड़ी में आप इसी ढंग से कार्य करें। भविष्य की शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं इन्हें बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
कोविड जो संकट था, उस समय जो स्थिति थी पटना जिले की, उसमें एनआईसी का काफी योगदान रहा है। बहुत से प्रवासी मजदूर आए, बहुत से लोगों के पास राशन कार्ड नहीं था। इसमें इसके सर्वेक्षण में जीविका के द्वारा कराया गया। कुछ आरटीपीएस के भी राशन कार्ड थे जो कि नहीं बने थे। इसमें एनआईसी पटना का काफी जो है महत्व है, और इनके द्वारा अच्छी भूमिका निभाई गई है। इनके द्वारा जो सर्वेक्षण में सूची आई थी, उसका एनआईसी पटना ने उसका सहयोग पोर्टल पर कार्य कराने में काफी अच्छी भूमिका निभाई है, और जिला आपूर्ति शाखा और सारे अनुमंडल पदाधिकारी जो पटने जिले के हैं, इनको सहयोग देने के लिए एनआईसी पटना को हम शुक्रगुजार हैं, और ये आशा करते हैं कि भविष्य में भी जो है इनकी भूमिका इसी तरह सदैव अच्छी बनी रहे।
Combating COVID-19 situations with ICT interventions and management. National Informatics Center, District Center, Patna is at the forefront with district administration on the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Patna in Bihar being the first district to provide e-pass for the stranded persons for movement outside and within the state. District Magistrate Patna has appreciated the efforts of NIC for this work. District Administration has created IT cell for report compilation at NIC for the daily work going on different fronts of COVID-19 situations. NIC has facilitated video conferencing facilities for maintaining social distancing with timely communication between the highest offices with the lowest offices. E-Pass Service online for COVID-19. serviceonline.bihar.gov.in. Issuance of E-Pass for COVID-19 disaster on Service Plus. Given link for movement of vehicle and persons during lockdown within and outside state was started with the initiative of Patna district. E-Pass application software undergone several changes due to the criteria and rules of E-Pass changed as per the guidelines of the state authorities with active consultation with DM Patna. Training provided to the SDOs and technical support staff for the application. So far, 38,073 applications for E-Pass received, out of which 4,161 have been approved, 23,589 rejected, and 10,323 are pending. COVID-19 Cell Management System. Design and development of COVID-19 cell management system for Patna district, the site hosted at Mini Cloud of NIC Bihar State Unit, was configured with VPN for remote updates. Hands-on training was organized for users all 7 COVID-19 cell in charge for reporting on portal for consolidated daily review for District Magistrate, Patna. Apada Sampurnti, Corona Sahayata. A one-time help of Rs 1,000 was provided to the family of Bihari Majdoor stranded in different states. A mobile app was developed which allows the beneficiary to submit his selfie with location coordinates, Aadhaar number and bank account number of Bihar in his name. Beneficiary details with photos are verified through Apada Sampurti portal for payment. In Patna district, 64,584 applications was received and 56,032 applications approved by ADM Apada Prabandhan for payments. Rati portal and app. Implementation of Rati app initiated by entering the Corona Test Collection Center's details of Patna district and map the technician with his concerned collection centers. They were provided ICT training for using Rati app available on their mobile phone. COVID-19 Sahyog Portal. Many persons' families who are eligible for ration card but they do not have for ration cards are getting one-time help of Rs 1,000 from Government of Bihar in his bank account by Government of Bihar. Jivika Didis have collected and got these details entered at specially developed web portal given link. ICT support was provided to collect input details of 1,58,217 families at this portal. COVID-19 IT and Reporting Cell. IT and Reporting Cell running at NIC District Center Patna was assigned with the responsibility of reporting consolidated daily reports to DM Patna. District website was updated regularly with various updates and reports. Technical support was provided to various IT portals and mobile applications like Arogya Setu app, Corona Kavach app, Chakshu app, E-Pass app, etc. COVID-19 portal.covidbihar.in for migrants at quarantine center. Migrants coming from the outside state at quarantine center, isolation center and Apada Rahat Kendra are getting registered on portal.covidbihar.gov.in with their details like name, arrival place and date, sex, mode of travel and mobile number. State government has decided to provide relief amount which include travel fare and extra Rs 500, ensuring minimum amount of Rs 1,000 per person. Such migrants' details are entered in Apada Sampurti portal with their Aadhaar number, bank details and mode of travel, etc. BCIMS COVID-19 Information Management System bcims.bihar.gov.in. Technical support is provided for monitoring and reporting of persons coming to Bihar and updating all information on bcims.in web portal. BCIMS portal monitor the new travelers' symptoms and non-symptoms travelers' new complaint, pending cases, closed cases, etc. Video conferencing services. Video conference services are provided right from the highest office in the country with the districts and from district administration communication with subdivisional block, executive offices and others required for. This service is very much appreciated for maintaining the required social distancing and avoiding large gathering of the earlier regular meetings.
NIC District Center Patna has provided immediate ICT support during the COVID-19 pandemic for all kind of challenging tasks. I am grateful to DM Patna Sri Kumar Ravi, a true leader who was placed first among the 50 top district magistrates of India recently by Frame India. He has appreciated NIC for the COVID-19 vehicle e-pass solution during lockdown for stranded persons. He also praised NIC's video conferencing facilities for providing virtual communication even at late hours, including Sundays and holidays. I am thankful to ADM Supply, Shri Nirmal Kumar, and ADM Disaster Management, Shri Mrityunjay Kumar, for highlighting NIC's efforts with online applications. It was possible only with the continuous support of ADIO Sri Ram Bhagwan Singh, the network team, and other support staff. I am really thankful to our SIO and DDG Sri Rajesh Kumar Singh, DGRC head Sri Shailesh Srivastava, ASIO Sri Ashok Kumar, STD Sri Rajiv Ranjan, and entire state unit team for all their support and guidance. I am proud to be a part of NIC to serve the country in these tough times. Thank you all.